Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Spicy curry recipe continues by focusing on adjusting the spice level and finishing the dish with final touches that enhance taste and texture. Adding ingredients like coconut milk, yogurt, or fresh herbs can balance the heat while keeping the bold flavor intact. In the Caribbean, spicy curry reflects a blend of Indian culinary influence and local ingredients, resulting in bold and fiery dishes such as curry goat, curry chicken, and curry shrimp. Scotch bonnet peppers are commonly used in Caribbean curries, giving them an intense heat that is both fruity and extremely spicy. These dishes are often slow-cooked, allowing the meat to become tender while absorbing the rich, spicy flavors of the sauce. Caribbean curry is usually served with rice, roti, or fried dumplings, making it a hearty and satisfying meal that is deeply rooted in cultural tradition. Beyond regional differences, spicy curry is also fascinating from a scientific and sensory perspective. The heat in chili peppers comes from a compound called capsaicin, which activates pain receptors in the mouth and creates the burning sensation associated with spicy food. Interestingly, this sensation is not actually pain in the harmful sense but a signal interpreted by the brain as heat. When people eat spicy food regularly, their tolerance increases over time, allowing them to enjoy higher levels of heat without discomfort. This is why some individuals can consume extremely spicy curries while others struggle with even mild versions. In response to the heat, the body releases endorphins, which are chemicals that create feelings of pleasure and mild euphoria, explaining why many people find spicy food addictive and enjoyable despite the burning sensation. Spicy curry also carries cultural and emotional significance in many societies. It is often associated with family gatherings, celebrations, and communal meals where large pots of curry are shared among many people. In many households, curry recipes are not strictly written down but are passed through oral tradition, with younger generations learning by watching elders cook. Each cook adds their personal touch, adjusting spice levels, cooking times, and ingredient proportions to suit their taste. This makes every curry slightly unique, even if it follows the same general recipe. Street food culture has also played a major role in popularizing spicy curry globally, with vendors serving freshly made dishes in busy markets where aroma and flavor attract customers from a distance. In modern times, spicy curry has evolved beyond traditional cooking methods and has become part of global fusion cuisine. Chefs now experiment by combining curry flavors with Western dishes such as pasta, pizza, burgers, and sandwiches, creating innovative meals that appeal to a wider audience. At the same time, packaged curry pastes and instant curry mixes have made it easier for people to prepare spicy curry at home without extensive cooking knowledge. Despite this convenience, many food enthusiasts still prefer traditional slow-cooked curries because they believe it produces a deeper, richer flavor that cannot be replicated instantly. Eating spicy curry is a full sensory experience that engages taste, smell, and even emotion. The aroma of spices sizzling in oil, the visual appeal of rich sauces, and the first bite that delivers a wave of heat all combine to create a memorable dining experience. Some people enjoy the gradual build-up of spice, while others prefer an immediate fiery kick. Food challenges involving extremely spicy curries have become popular on social media, where participants test their tolerance and share their reactions with audiences worldwide. These challenges highlight both the enjoyment and difficulty of consuming very spicy food, often pushing people to their limits while entertaining viewers. Ultimately, spicy curry remains one of the most beloved dishes in the world because it represents more than just food. It is a combination of culture, tradition, science, and emotion, all blended into one dish that continues to evolve over time. Whether it is a mild coconut curry, a fiery chili-based dish, or a rich slow-cooked stew, spicy curry offers something for everyone. It connects people across different cultures through a shared appreciation for bold flavors and comforting warmth, making it a timeless dish that will continue to be enjoyed for generations to come. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.